Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Indian Railways has experienced unprecedented transformation in the past 9 years, emerging as a driving force in the socio-economic development of the country. The capacity of the railway network is being significantly enhanced to meet the evolving needs of the future. The Amrit Bharat Station Scheme envisions the transformation of railway stations into vibrant city centers and urban icons characterized by attractive architecture and passenger-friendly facilities. The transformative journey is accelerating, and under the Amrit Bharat Station Scheme, 15 railway stations are set to undergo redevelopment within the Bengaluru division. These stations namely Tumakuru, Whitefield, Bangarpet, Channapattana, Doddaballapura, Kengeri, Krishnarajapuram, Malleshwaram, Malur, Mandya, Ramanagaram, Dharmapuri, Hindupura, Hosur, Kuppam railway station are poised to undergo a remarkable transformation at a combined cost of over rupees 320 crores under Phase 2. The infrastructure of these stations will receive an aesthetic facelift featuring state-of-the-art facilities and modern design elements. Full-length platform shelters, improved circulating areas, and well-demarcated parking spaces will ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience for passengers. Moreover, the project emphasizes inclusivity, with stations being designed to be Divyangjan friendly, ensuring equal access and convenience for all travelers. Executive lounges, cafeterias, upgraded waiting halls, and free Wi-Fi facility will boost passenger delight, and energy-efficient LED lighting will enhance the ambience of the station. In addition to the redevelopment of these stations, one road overbridge and 2 road underbridges will be dedicated to the nation, and 1 road overbridge will be constructed as part of this ambitious project. In Amrit Kal, these enhanced rail infrastructure will strengthen trade, commerce, and economic activities in the region and will promote ease of travel and elevate passenger delight.